Did you know that Robin once turned against Batman so hard that he took over all of Gotham City? Picture this. Dick Grayson decides Bruce Wayne has gone too far. Batman is hurting too many people, so Dick does something no one saw coming. He uses everything Batman taught him. Against Batman himself, Dick knows all of Bruce's secrets, where he hides, how he fights, every single weakness, and Dick tells the police everything. He shows them proof that Bruce Wayne is Batman. He reveals all the illegal things Batman has done. Suddenly, the cops are hunting Batman instead of helping him. Other heroes have to pick sides. Some stay loyal to Bruce, others follow Dick. But here's the scary part. Dick starts using Batman's own tricks. Fear, intimidation, violence. He becomes everything he once fought against. The student didn't just beat the teacher, he became something much worse, and Gotham would never be the same.